Good morning to all. I am Saranya Vijay.
I am Abarnayam.
We are the students of Mumford School Chinnakanal, Class 8B. Today we are going to show our art integrated project for science on the topic Flora and Fauna.
We thank Reverend Brother Maria Joseph for giving this project.
Comparison of Kerala. Nilgiri Tar. The Nilgiri Tar is an endangered hoofed mammals or an endemic to the Western Ghats. In fact, it is the only mountain ungulate in India. Almost 12 other species of ungulates. The Nilgiri Tar is an endemic to the Nilgiri Hills and the southern portion of the Western and the Eastern Ghats in the states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala in southern India. It is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Pepper. This is rightly known as the king of spices, and this one is the best known spice in the world. Kerala is always supreme in this production. Idukki and Wayanad are the two major pepper producers district in Kerala. In 2008 to 2009, Kerala became the largest pepper producer state with over 41,000 tons on 175. The other states include Karnataka, Kanyakumari and Dindigul districts in Tamil Nadu. Malabar pepper is the variety of black pepper that originated as a chance seeding in the geographical region that now forms a part of the present states of Kerala in India. Elephant. Elephant found in Kerala. The Indian elephant are one of those the Asian elephants since 1986. Asian elephants has been listed as endangered by IUCN as the population has declined by at least 50% over the last 3 generations, estimated to be in the wild. Techikotukavu Ramachandran is the elephant owned by Techikotukavu Devasham, a temple in Kerala, standing at 316 cm. He is the tallest living captured elephant in India and the second in Asia. Ramachandran is fondly known as the among elephant lover as Raman and enjoys the huge fan following across Kerala. Coconut. Coconut production in Kerala state, situated on the southern west coast of India, plays an important role in the economy and the culture of the region. Kerala is actually named after the coconut tree, with Kera meaning coconut tree and Alam meaning land. So means land of coconut trees. Various terms like cobra and kor are derived from the native Malayalam language. Cardamom. Cardamom, also spelled cardamom, consisting of whole of ground dried fruit or of seeds of Elateria cardamom, a perennial plant of a ginger family. The seeds have a warm, slightly and high aromatic flavor, somewhat reminds of camphor. They are also popular in seasoning in southern East Asia dishes, particularly in curries and in pastries. Tea. Tourism remains a sporadic for experiment in India, with limited outreach to the special interest market. Mild and light, long, black and green tea sugar owned by the harvested year around the Nilgiri hills of southern India, running from Ooty in Tamil Nadu to Munnar in Kerala. Assam is the largest tea growing area in the world. It is found in Assam. Also, Assam is the largest contributor of tea in India. In fact, contrary to that, we started growing in early after it was produced from China. It has always grown in Assam. The major tea producing states in India are Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Sikkim, Nagaland, Uttarakhand, Manipur, Mizoram, Bihar and Orissa.
Comparison of Himachal Pradesh. Musk deers. These normally live far from human habitation in a habit of hilly and forest environment in mountain range. They are aromatic set land found only for adult male for attracting males. Snow leopard. Home to an extreme hostile habit of the snow mountain range, the snow leopard is the powerful predator preying mainly upon the blue sheep and the eye-breaking master of this environment. In mostly living a solitary life, the snow leopard is the state animal of Himachal Pradesh. Himalayan yak, standing 6 feet tall at the shoulder, the massively built long hair bovine infant in a higher Himalayan region. The Askahi bustard has been domesticated, and beside providing meat, fiber, milk can be hide the yak. Also survived the burst of burden in Spiti, Lahu, and a part of Chamba. Himalayan black bear. This bear is a subspecies of Asiatic black bear with their distinctive necklace of white flower across chest. Its natural habitat is forest area with rocky outcrop. Having curved black bear are very aggressive to both humans, and it is counted among the most deadly animal of India. Monal found in the forest track between 2000 to 300 and 500 adult in the northwestern Himalayan belt. The Mona present is known as the brightest plumber. Only for the male has such beauty, and the female is dull brown company. In this plumber can be spotted in a higher reach of Shimla Kanal, out Gangara and Chamba mountain. Western Tracopens. The western Tracopens is the rare peasants found only in the narrow range of the temperature Himalayas in the wild. The peasants has been sighted in the Peace, Satluj and Ravi River catchment areas. This majestic bird is the state bird in Himachal Pradesh.